Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to merge two Facebook pages. This preparation helps make sure the process goes smoothly. First, you must have full admin access or full control of both pages you plan to merge. Without this level of access, you cannot start the merge. According to Facebook, the pages must be under your control. Next, check that the two pages represent the same business, brand, or entity. The name should be very similar, and if both pages have physical locations, they should share the exact same address. Facebook uses this to determine that the pages truly belong together. Also ensure the pages are part of the same Business Manager or Business Suite account if you are using those. If the pages are managed in separate business accounts, the merge may not be allowed. Before you merge, evaluate the content you might lose. When pages merge, one page will be deleted and you may lose posts, photos, reviews, ratings, and the username of that page. Decide which page you will keep and which you will merge into it. Usually you keep the page with the higher number of followers or better engagement. With all of this done, you are ready to proceed with the merge. Thanks for watching.